Hello guys, this is Malika. I'm from Odisha and recently I went to Andaman. So in this video you will see how I enjoyed my day 1 at Port Blair. So guys, please do enjoy my video and let me know how was it. So we went from Bhubaneswar to Chennai and from Chennai to Port Blair. Yes, please try to book a window seat because the view you will get before landing at Port Blair is really mesmerizing. It was worth taking the window seat. You can see some islands before reaching Port Blair. We also saw the island where no one is allowed because tribal people live there and they don't permit people from outside. You can see how big this island is, and no one is also allowed here except the people who live there. They also try attacking people if someone comes near to that island. This is the information I got from YouTube. You can also check other videos where you will find more about this island. You can see the view while we were landing at the Port Blair Island. The airport is situated in Port Blair. It was beautiful. It was really beautiful. I guess uh, it was worth getting a seat near the window. We could see greenery everywhere. Even some locals said us that if someone cuts a tree over there, then they get jail. Then they go to jail for some years. And I guess it is a very good initiative by the government. And yeah, you can see how much greenery was present inside. So after landing at Port Blair, we went to a hotel and had some time rest over there and went to cellular jail. After entering the cellular jail, you will see there is a display of all the things that were present before. So you can visit there and know more about the history of cellular jail. I don't need to explain what had happened in cellular jail. It's just because of the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters that today we are living happily in an independent nation. So yes, it was heartbreaking to see how our freedom fighters fought, how they suffered for our freedom. So, yes, I will always say I'm proud to be an Indian. You can see now I have also recorded the rooms present in the cellular jail. They were very, very small. People had to stay there without any human interaction for years, and the punishment was known as Kala Pani because it was somewhere if someone comes, then it was very difficult for them to go back. And this is the terrace of the cellular jail. Actually, the cellular jail had six wings before, but during the World War II, it was destroyed. Some of the wings were destroyed. So next we went to Corbin's Beach. It is famous for the water sports, and we also saw the sunset over there. So the sunset time at Port Blair is around 5 p.m. You can see the view, it was really beautiful. We had to rush back to Cellular Jail for the sound and light show. So yes, this was the view while we were traveling back from Corbin's Beach to Cellular Jail. So at Light and Sound Show, we don't have permission to record the entire Light and Sound Show. Hence, I could not record anything over there, but it was really beautiful. So, guys, if you visit there, please do go for the Light and Sound Show. And this is how the Cellular Jail was looking that night. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.